Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Windows apps with Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller and wait for it to finish scanning your installed applications. Next, use the Windows Store Apps filter on the left to display only built-in and Microsoft Store apps. Select the Windows app or apps you want to remove. Be careful not to remove system components that Windows depends on. After making your selection, click Uninstall or Quiet Uninstall. Confirm the prompt and let Bulk Crap Uninstaller complete the removal process. When the uninstall is finished, the program may offer to scan for leftover files and registry entries. Review the results, remove any safe leftovers, and complete the cleanup. That's it. You've successfully removed Windows apps using Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.